Hi viewers, welcome to Gunji Ashok Java Interview Questions. Today we will discuss about HTTP status codes in REST API. HTTP status codes in REST API we will discuss about this today. If you are not having idea on the HTTP status codes, you will not get confident on REST API and REST API error codes also. You will not get some confident and proper idea. That is why today we will discuss about HTTP status codes. HTTP status codes divided into 5 categories. HTTP status codes divided into five categories. HTTP status codes are divided into 5 categories: 1xs, 2xs, 3xs, 4xs, 5xs. 1xs means 100 to 199. 2xs means 200 to 299. 3xs means 300 to 399. 4xs means 400 to 499. 5xs means 500 to 599. Okay, here 100 to 199 informational message, 100 to 199 information message, 200 to 299 successful message. Three hundred to 399 redirectional. 300 to 399 redirectional message. 400 to 499 client error messages. 500 to 599 server side messages. Server side error messages. Okay, today we will frequently what are the errors we are getting, those HTTP codes we are discussing today. 100 to 199 informational message, 200 to 299 successful message, 300 to 399 redirectional message, and 400 to 499 client error message, 500 to 599 server error message. Okay, about these HTTP codes also we will see in Google also. HTTP status codes. Okay, HTTP status codes. Here if you go to this first link, 100 to 199 informational response, 200 to 299 successful response, and 300 to 399 message, 4 to 499 client error message, 500 to 599 server error responses. Okay, like this we will get. Here also we will see in detail. 100 to 100 continue, 101 switching protocol, 102 103, and 200 is okay, 201 is created, 202 accepted, 203 204 no content. Like this we will get each status code message here. Okay, 300 302 found, like here also client error responses. 400 is bad request, 401 unauthorized, 402 payment required, 403 forbidden, 404 not found, method not allowed. We will see this 405 404 and 400 messages, and 405 also method not allowed, 415 also, 415 also we will see in practically. Unsupported media type. Okay, we will discuss. 500 means server side errors, internal server error. What are the important codes here? We will see practically. Okay, we will see all those important status codes practically. Okay, I am opening STS. Create new Spring Starter project. SB means Spring Boot. HTTP status codes. version 8 Maven, jar, Java, com.app. Okay, next Lombok, Spring Boot DevTools, Spring Web. For these are required. Next, finish. Download is completed. I am expanding here. src main Java. Okay, com.app. I will take on binding class. com.app.binding class I am taking. I am taking on customer. Private integer id, private string name. These two are enough. I will take these two only. Data for generating setter getter methods. Okay. Later I am taking com.app.controller, com.app.controller, customer controller. Okay. REST controller notation also required for dashboarding application purpose. REST controller. Here public customer get customer. Open brace and close brace. Okay, here customer C is equal to new customer. Control Shift for imports getting C dot set ID. Set ID 101. C dot set name. Gunji Ashok. Okay. Return C semicolon. Okay. I am mapping this method with get mapping. I am mapping this method with get mapping double quotes slash customer. Okay. Now I am running this one. Run as Spring Boot application. By default port number is server port is 8080. Okay. By default port number is 8080. I will test in browser. http://8080. What is the URL here? I will write here URL name is get. Control yes. 8080/get. Enter. I got response here. I got response in here in JSON formats. I will test same URL in Postman because of here we got the response in JSON format. Okay, but state at score it is not possible to see in browser. That's why I will check in Postman. http://localhost:8080/get search. I got response in JSON format. What is the status code is 200. Here you will see the status code. Here, what is the status code? Status code here 200. For custom sending message purpose also I will add a response entity. I will add response entity. What is the use of response entity? For sending customized status code purpose we can use response entity. Return new response. C comma HTTP status dot OK semicolon. Okay, what is the here response entity of customer? New written response entity of customer. C HTTP dot OK. It is when I am doing any changes, it is automatically those changes will be server is restarted because of I added Spring Boot DevTools. That one already you know very well. If there any changes in status code, there is no changes. Okay, for sending customized HTTP status code purpose we can use response entity annotation. After adding this one also there is no change. Your status code is 200. Here our status code is 200. Okay, now I am adding one path variable annotation. Path variable integer id. Okay, at the path variable integer id slash open brace close brace. I am adding one path variable id. Here I am writing one if condition. If of id greater than 100, open brace and close brace. If the id is greater than 100, return this one. If the id is else condition. If the id is not greater than 100, return HTTP status no content. 204 means no content. If you see the difference here I passed C. His responsibility contain two parameters. Here generic is customer type generic is, but here two parameters. One is C and one is status code. But here there is here I passed only status code because of if it is not greater than 100, I will not return anything. That's why HTTP status dot no content. No content status code is 204. Okay, I will test here slash suppose 105. I am testing here. We got the response. I will pass suppose 90. 204. I got response 204 no content. 204 no content. Okay, client URL is correct, but for that response for that input there is no content. That's why here HTTP code is 204. Again, suppose again here if of id less than 0, id less than 0, return new response entity of HTTP status dot bad request. What is the bad request is 400 semicolon. Okay, suppose if the id is less than, suppose if the client send the request in negative format, if the client send the request with negative format, we will send the response code as bad request. If it is less than 100, we will send the response as 204 no content. If it is greater than 100, automatically you know very well that is 200 OK message. Okay, if the user pass the message in negative number, suppose minus 90, bad request, 400 bad request. Okay, Like this, we can send the customized message purpose, and we should know the 400 means bad request. Bad request means client is not sending proper input. Like that, we can get some idea. 204 means no content. That is successful processed, but for return there is nothing is there for returning. 204 no content. Here bad request. Okay, I hope you got some idea. Like that. Like that. Suppose here into I is equal to id slash 0 semicolon into I is equal to id slash 0. We will try this one. Actually, id slash 0 means infinite. Then we will get arithmetic exception. I'm passing this one. Sending 500. 500 means our, our request is correct, but that server is unable to process that request because of here 500 means internal server error. Here trace Java lagged arithmetic exception. If a server unable to process that request, we will get 500 status code. 500 internal server error. Okay, problem with server side. The problem with server side, we will get to 500 internal server error. Okay, suppose here I tried with actually what is here here URL is get, but I am try with get all. I will try with wrong URL. I am trying with wrong URL. Okay, I am trying with wrong URL. What is here URL? Get. I am trying with wrong URL. Get all /120. Then we will get 404. 404 not found. If the resource is not found, then we will get 404. 404 message we will get. We will get 404 if the wrong URL. If the resource is not found, then we will get 404 error. Suppose I will try with the proper URL get /120. Then I will get the proper response and with proper status code. Okay, 200 is okay. Our URL is correct. Suppose this is mapped with get request. This method is mapped with get request. Suppose I will try with post request. I will try with post request. Then I will get 405 method not allowed. Okay. Actually, this URL is mapped with get request, but I tried with post request. Actually, this URL is mapped with get request, but I tried with post request. Then I will get 405 method not allowed. I will get 405 method not allowed. Okay. I tried with post request. Then I will get 406 not allowed. Okay. Here get request. I will get proper response. Suppose here we will get here we are getting JSON format. Okay. Here we are getting JSON format. Actually here I will write produces also. Value is equal that one. Here produces is equal to application /JSON. Okay, produces means in which format it is. By default it will generate JSON format. By default that actually here here it is object Java object. By default it will Java object, it will convert to JSON object by using message converters in Spring Boot. By default it will convert Java object to JSON object by using message converters is available in Spring Boot. Okay, with that message converters, it will convert Java object to JSON format. Okay, here also again produces is equal application slash JSON. Okay, I am writing that one. Here I am getting the response. Okay, body headers I am accept is equal to application slash XML. Application slash XML. Actually, it is giving the response in JSON format, but I am asking accept application slash XML. Okay, actually it is giving the response in JSON format. Here also I asked produces is equal to application slash JSON format, but here I am asking I want response in JSON XML format. Actually it is supports only JSON. If I write produces equal to application slash JSON means it will support only JSON format. It will not generate output in XML format. Okay, produces is equal to application slash JSON means it will give the output in JSON format only. It will not support XML format. But here I am asking accept application slash JSON. Okay, but here I am asking application slash XML. I am sending the response. Now I will get 406 not acceptable. Okay, in this type of situation we will get 406 not acceptable. That is generating JSON format, but I am asking XML format. Then we will get 406 not acceptable. Okay. Similarly, I will write another method here. Public string add customer at the rate of request body customer. Okay, this is binding with post mapping. Double quote slash add customer. Okay, this is what I am. For customized purpose, I am using response entity. First I will without the okay, without that one I will try. Okay, add customer. When I am sending this one, actually here consumes application slash JSON. Here value is equal. Okay, at the data post mapping value is equal to add customer. Consumes means it will take in which format it will take input application slash JSON. I will try this one. Post request http://localhost 8080 / add customer. Okay, input it will take content hyphen type application slash JSON. Okay, here raw type and JSON. What is here? Double quotes ID name 301 comma double quotes name colon Mahesh. I'm sending the request. Customer is added. Response is 200. Okay. Customer is added. Response is 200. Actually, in any HTTP request, what is 201 means created. When our record is created, we will get 201. 201 means created. For customized, actually, what is the response we got? 200. Like 200 message we got. For customized response code purpose, response entity of string return new response entity of string HTTP status dot created. Created means 201. Okay. Now I am sending the request 201 created. If you look into the console also, ID is equal to 301, name is equal to Mahesh. Okay. 201 is, we got the response is 201 created. Okay. Suppose head, if you go to headers, content type, here write JSON. Instead of JSON, I am write with XML. Okay. Application slash XML. Content type. Okay. I will type in XML. CU customer ID. ID equal like 101 ID. Name Ashok. Okay. Customer. Actually, content hyphen type means in which format it will take the input. Okay. Actually, here in post request consume is equal application slash JSON, but I am trying with the XML format. Actually, I am trying with then 415 unsupported media type. Okay, we will get actually here it is input consumes is equal, it will support JSON. It will support JSON only. Consumes is equal to application slash JSON means it will support only. It will take the input only JSON format. But I am trying with XML format. I am sending the body request with XML format. Then we will get 415 unsupported media type. Okay. Like this we will get today. What are the status code we have discussed today here? What are the status code we are discussing here? 200. Today means success. Success. Okay, message. Okay, 201 created. 204 no content. 400 bad request. Resource not found. 405 method not allowed. 406 not acceptable. 415 Media type not allowed. 4 and 5 unsupported media type. Unsupported media type. 500 means server error. 500 means server error. 200 means success. Okay. 201 created. 204 no content. 400 means bad request. 404 URL. When we are searching with wrong URL, then we will get 404 resource not found. 405 method not allowed. 406 not acceptable. 415 unsupported media type. 500 means server error. Okay. I hope you got the idea on the status codes. You will get some idea little bit. You have some idea on HTTP status codes in real time. After seeing the status codes, you will get what is the error, and we will get some confident on errors. Okay, depends upon errors code, so we will look into the issue. Okay, I hope you got some clarity and you got some idea. If you have any doubts, please comment in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.